Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Kirti Kiran H. Pujar, an officer of Indian Administrative Service born on Maharashtra cadre. In this video, I'm going to talk about the various field data collection tools at our disposal, evaluate and compare them on few criteria, and see which one suits you. So, you have a project, say building a biodiversity database for your district or tehsil or village, for which you need to survey unique plant species, some of them located in remote corners, hilly terrains where internet is weak. Also, you want to georeference them. You also want this activity to be collaborative, where you engage registered volunteers and field functionaries to collect and upload the data. That means you are thinking of some admin privileges like who has access to this data collection form and when. So which tool comes to your mind? Yes, the first and most obvious tool that we think of is Google Forms. Google Forms is very ubiquitous and highly popular tool for day-to-day service. Let's evaluate it based on few criteria. Google Forms is free. Anyone with a Gmail account can create a form within minutes and circulate it for filling the survey. Also, there is no need to download separate app or software. Google Forms is quite sophisticated in the sense that there is provision of adding conditional logic. That is, to which data field will be taken depends on the previous answer submitted. Let us digress a bit to understand more about this feature. Conditional logic in terms of a software pseudocode looks something like this. Based on the value of the expression evaluated, a particular piece of program is executed. How does this actually look in a form? Here, I have taken an example from AppCollect 5, an open source field data collection tool. I have already created the form, and here, based on the department selected, the next page or next set of questionnaire is presented to the user. If I select, say, Panchayat Samiti department, then the questionnaire appears like this. If I choose PWD, then a different set of questionnaire is submitted. In the next video, we will discuss more about applying conditional logic to the forms. So coming back to Google Forms, yes, it supports conditional logic. Google doesn't support admin privileges, like if you need to activate and deactivate the form at particular point of a day, or if you need to control who has access to the form. Such kind of features aren't supported. You need to georeference few data points, that is associating a data to its physical location in terms of latitude and longitude. For that, location capture is needed. This is typically done by turning on the GPS in the mobile phone and clicking the capture location button. But since Google Forms is device agnostic and all that you need is a web browser, that advantage is offset by lack of this location capture feature. It's not inbuilt. You have to do a workaround by identifying lat long of the place you need and manually enter it in the form. Further, there is no provision of saving the data entered in the Google form offline and then uploading it as and when you access the internet. This is in nutshell the pros and cons of Google Forms. Going ahead, let's look at a set of tools hailing from the open source community. Some of the most popular ones are Open Data Kit, CoboCollect, and AppCollect 5. These are developed by academic universities to help researchers collect data in the most trying and difficult terrains. Another set of tools are paid and subscription fee based. They are for really large mission critical projects used by big enterprises. The popular ones are Fulcrum App, Appanate, JotForms, MacP, and so on. So let's quickly compare these tools based on the criteria discussed earlier. Here's a table comparing these different set of tools. So if you are a user whose data collection needs are light enough, then Google Forms fit your need. If you are tight on budget and working on a medium-sized project, by which I mean somewhere few thousand data entries, then open source tools are for you. If you need enterprise level robustness, have huge data sets and security concerns, then by spending few bucks, you are good to go with the paid tools. Do let me know in the comment section what kind of user you are and which suits you. Also, let me know if you have come across a tool not discussed here but awesome in every aspect. My favorite so far has been AppCollect 5. It's simple, clean, free, and yes, it works. In the next video, I'm going to discuss in detail AppCollect 5 and how to use it, right from creating a form and adding conditional logic using AppCollect dashboard to downloading the form on the mobile to collect the data. So thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.